Hi, so I just unboxed my Instant Vortex. It comes with a couple of those things. I think this is the thing that grabs the rotisserie out. This is what will go in the chicken or whatever meat you put in there. A little manual. The door says remove all packaging, etc., etc. There's tape on the side. I'm just gonna stick that there. And it looks like it just comes with a bunch of stuff, so I'm gonna go ahead and just pull all this out. So I just pulled everything out of the Instant Vortex. So door closed, door open, comes with a basket, 2 trays, drip tray. I'm doing the test run for my Instant Vortex. I am going to start prepping my chicken. It is 3.57 pounds, so it's just the perfect size. Ingredients I'm going to use for my chicken here. I really don't have a special recipe or anything. I'm gonna throw just all this stuff on there. Glaze it with some oil. Get between the arms. Get. I normally like to buy rotisserie that's already pre-cooked at Costco or Ralph's. So this is kind of freaky to me. I've never done this before. And again, I'm doing this all with one hand. I kind of seasoned one side. Again, I'm doing this with one hand when I'm filming. I put the phone down and I just kind of pat it all around. I'm going to go ahead and get the back side of it. Just added the seasoning and I did a couple of that. A couple of that. Same with the pepper, the sage, basil leaves, and I throw on cayenne pepper because I like the pepper hotness of it, and it has a pretty color to it. So I'm gonna put some gloves on, and I am going to figure out how to get this thing inside of there. I didn't have a piece of cooking twine or whatever you call it, so I just used some aluminum foil, but it's rotating, and yeah, so let's see if it works out. I ended up taking the tin foil off and just kind of letting it do what it does. I mean, it's fine. It kind of does a little jolt because it's not all the way tied up. But I had already started this process, so I just let it keep going. And it's not too bad. It's kind of soaking in on the juices. It rotates. So it shows the temperature, and then it's going to show the 5 more minutes left on it. Yeah, again, this is my first time cooking anything on here. It's looking pretty good and it's smelling pretty great. This was the interesting part to figure out, but yeah. So this is the cooked chicken. I used my thermometer to check the temperature and it is done. So, yep.